Hello, today we are solving Jan 2022 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 5. You are the financial accountant for Valetta Motors PLC. So this is part B of the fifth question. Evaluate the usefulness of preparing a statement of cash flow for the Valetta Motors PLC. In the earlier portion, you had prepared cash flow from operating activities and you had also prepared property, plant and equipment account. Okay, what was the use of preparing any statement of cash flow, if they are asking? So what is the usage of any cash flow preparations? So whenever the cash flow is there, okay, it indicates the liquidity in the business. It's the exact amount of cash, okay, in the business, and it also shows, okay, it will help in financial decisions. You are going to prepare three types of cash, okay, operating, investing and financing cash flows. Then this will also help to calculate bank balance, and it is also going to avoid depreciation, amortization things, okay, notional balances which does not indicate any liquidity. So it is going to be important, but however it is going to be time consuming, cost consuming, and it is complex. You need a skilled accountant to do this. So but however this is a necessary statement for all the investors, okay. Then the investors will have a look into it to understand the exact cash they have in the business. So the statement, for example, here they have argued like this, okay. The statement helps Valetta Motors PLC study where the company has generated its cash over the last financial year and how it is applied. This may help in decision making in the next financial year. So they will know exact amount of cash left, for example, to purchase a property, to purchase something, okay. Like here they had purchased plant, for example. Next, for decision making, example, okay, example, the purchase of plant, okay, purchase of plant or property for the next year. They will know whether they have a cash or not. Then the statement is broken into three sectors: net cash flow from operating activities, investing and financing activities. The three parts are added together to give an overall figure for an increase or a decrease of cash. So we will know whether the cash has increased or decreased from the last financial year, okay. So your also helps in comparison. So helps in comparison, right? Comparison for different years, So comparison for different years, okay. Then the statement helps to explain why the overall change in the bank balance might be significantly different or even contradict the amount of profit and loss generated. So if the bank balance is positive, if we indicate, okay, if there is a bank balance, okay, which is positive or negative, then it will also explain the because of the cash that has happened, cash transactions, okay. And usually the profit or the loss generated might be very different from the bank balance. So you will understand, it also helps you to understand the bank balance. Then the statement looks back and uses figures that are nearly all actual figures, okay, all actual figures related to cash, okay, related to cash transactions alone. So it is just related to cash transactions alone. So it is not including depreciation and amortization. Then what is those are the positives, usefulness of the statement of cash flow. But apart from that, okay, what is the negatives? However, we can say that this is a fairly complicated statement and it is not fully understood by the readers, or so it has to be prepared by a skilled accountant, and it is going to take time and effort and funding of Valetta Motors to produce it. In conclusion, the statement must be produced by Valetta Motors and is regarded as a useful tool to inform readers or investors, okay. Investors also look into that to understand the liquidity of the company, okay. So that's why it is very important.